The perfect way to warm up? How about baking some local bread? The elevation and extreme weather here are ideal for growing rye, and locals have been transforming it into delicious bread for hundreds of years. In the old days, villagers fired their communal ovens only 2 or 3 times a year, so they needed to come up with a type of bread that would last for several months.
Okay, so we start by, we take the dough and we make a ball?
The key to the bread's longevity is a closely guarded secret, though some hint it's the special sourdough starter, handed down for generations.
You have to be quick, I guess, if you have 100 loaves to make, right? Okay, so this way and this way. Okay?
Hello.
Hallo?
Ein Roggenbrot?
Ja, gerne. Also,
The bakery supplies all the local restaurants and stores with loaves fresh from the oven.
Well, there you have it. It's the field, the mill, the bakery, the store, all in the same valley. Talk about local.